Welcome to English Phonics class. Today we will learn a new sound. Can you guess? Okay, let me help you. It's J. Let us know the face of the alphabet. This is capital letter J and this is cursive small letter J. Now the sound of J is J. What is the sound? Repeat with me. It's J. Come on. Once again. Say it with me. It's J. Now let us look at some pictures. I know you all love colorful and beautiful pictures. So come on. Let's see. What is this, children? Can you tell me? This is jug. So jug. Say with me. Jug. J for jug. Now the next one. Oh, wow! What is this? This is jar. Jar. Repeat with me. Jar. Very good. Now come on. Let's see another picture. What is this, children? This is jacket. This is a jacket. So jacket. Jacket. Come on, children. Now let's see the next picture. Yummy. What is this? Jam. This is jam. Jam. And where do we spread jam? On bread. Bread jam. Do you love it? Now let's see the next picture. Oh my God. What is this? This is a joker. Joker can make so many faces, right? So joker. Joker. Next please. This is jellyfish. This is jellyfish. Jellyfish. And where does a jellyfish live? It lives underwater. So jellyfish. Oh wow, what is this? This is a juice. So juice. Juice. We love to have juice in the summer season, right? So the next picture please. Oh, this is jeep. Jeep. So jeep. So repeat after me, children. Jeep. Very good. So my dear little cuties, we have learned lots and lots of words today. Isn't it so? Yes. Very good. Clap your hands for yourself, children. Okay now. Till then. Bye-bye. Take care and lots of love to you.